can't disown us that we are here as busybodies, not representing our plans.
Who, from the looks of it, are doing their best to frustrate the court orders. And that is members of the police force and the administration, in particular, Mulebu and the chief. And I'll say why, from the looks of it. A handover of the school would even be possible with the cooperation of the DSCC and the chief. When the people are mobilized and told this must happen, it does happen. We live here and we know the authority these people have.
In addition, some of the youths in close proximity to the few officers escorting Councillor Kirui hit him with punches, kicks, slaps, and objects such as sticks on his back, legs, and chest. They also attempted to strip him of his diary and phone, and in the process tore his jacket. Five officers were the only ones escorting Councillor Kirui, while the majority of officers looked on. No crowd control measures were utilized. None of the persons assaulting the legal agent of the first and second petitioners was arrested. None has been taken to court to the knowledge of the petitioners. Councillor Kirui made a report at Kwaruben Police Station and issued with an occurrence book OB number 27/17/08/26.
It was not done in an attempt to frustrate the court orders as is being alluded in the tone of the affidavit that is being presented to the court. That being said, Your Lordship, the officers that have been asked to have been present, first of all, the question of registration, Your Lordship, the regional director, Mr. Kiturgo, did comply with the court orders, and there is actually a certificate of registration of Gatoto Community.
Partial compliance with the orders of the court to the extent that there is now a certificate of the registration of the school. Senior Counsel Kanyama has identified 5 gaps in the certificate, which requires immediate action on the part of the Regional Director of Education. Parties have agreed that the said individual requires 2 or 3 days to rectify the error. The court further notes that contrary to the direction of the court of 14th of August 2026, the takeover of the school has not taken place. The judgment of the court was clear that this should take place. This court reaffirms that the petitioners must take over the school as ordered in the judgment. And based on the foregoing, I direct that the Regional Director of Education reissues the certificate of registration, incorporating all the missing information within 2 days of the date here. Secondly, the ownership and the management of the school to be restored to the petitioners within 2 days of the date here. That is on or close of business on the 20th of February 2026. Leave is granted to the respondents to file and serve the affidavits on or before 19th of August 2026 at 5 p.m. And the matter shall be mentioned on Thursday, on 20th of August 2026 in open court at 10 a.m.